I wonder if I can become a fluent speaker alone. People, they keep saying, become a fluent speaker alone, get fluency alone. But how? I don't have environment. I don't have anyone to speak with. How can I become a fluent speaker alone? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can become a fluent speaker alone. It's possible now. See, in my case, I didn't go anywhere in order to learn this language. I didn't join any spoken classes. I have been practicing for a long time. Okay, that is why now I'm able to speak. So in your case also, you can become a fluent speaker, and I'm going to share with you how, which kinds of practice you should do in order to become a fluent speaker. See, my friend, when I was a beginner, at that time, to be honest, I didn't have anyone, and I was not aware of any kinds of application also. So what did I do? After learning little bit grammar, I started explaining things. Yes, you heard it right. What I started doing, I started explaining things alone. Okay, let's suppose behind me one dog is sitting. Okay, you can see in the camera that one dog is sitting, and he's my dog. Actually, I want to share with you a little more things also. Today there is one marriage in my village, so they started playing music. So I thought, let's try to go little bit far away from my village in order to make my video. So I came a little far away from my village. So when I was coming, I didn't notice. Why? Because when I was coming, when I was on way, I was talking to one of my friends in English language. While practicing, I came here. Okay, so I didn't see that who is coming behind me. I thought, okay, I'm alone. So when I turned back, I saw that my dog was coming. Okay, and I thought, okay. And one thing I want to share with you related to this dog also, that we don't tie this dog. Okay, he is free, and I just really love freedom. So that is why, if any birds, they are being imprisoned, or any dog also, if they are being tied, okay, that time I feel little bad, because prison is prison, whether it is gold prison or silver or any thread also you are tying to them. So I don't want to tie this dog as well as my family member also. So he is free, but he is waiting for me, that if I finish my work, so we'll both go in our village. So see how I explained. In your case also, whatever you are doing, explain alone. Okay, if no one is there, no problem. In my case, who is there in front of me? I am alone in front of my camera, right, recording this video. In your case also, you may be alone, no one is there to talk with you. In that case, take pen or pencil or whatever, you can talk to your wall also. It is also fair. Okay, I know that if someone see you doing that work, even your family member also, for few days they may say that you are going mad, but let them say, don't care. In my case also, the scenario was same. I would say that at my home, they started saying that you would become mental, because you always keep talking this language, you always learn or speak this language. They were taking it little negative way, that what is this, speaking this language always, you may get mental also. In your case also, in starting it may happen, because talking alone, it's not the easy task, right? But if we can, we should, because this is the way that we can learn this language. And you won't believe, my friend, this is the best way. See, if you go, like as a beginner, if you go, so someone may judge you. But if you are alone, and no one is there in front of you, and whatever you have learned, you are just explaining in your broken English, that's so good. And by doing so, you can learn this language. In my case, my friend, today, as I told you, so music is being played, and it is very loud. That is why I came here. So see, in our life, a lot of excuses are there, right? That I don't have environment. So for that one, I'm telling that if you don't have environment, in that case also you can speak. How? By explaining things. See, whatever I'm speaking, I'm not thinking whether I'm speaking wrong, right, or what. And in this case, if someone is there in front of me, no one is there. Only my mobile, and I am speaking. No one is there. But how I'm able to speak? Because I have practiced enough. It didn't happen over the night. I practiced a lot. I used to speak in my room alone. That is why I am here to speak, or I am able to speak here also. Okay, so these kinds of things I wanted to share with you. One message that was don't imprison if it's possible. But I have seen many people, they love to imprison birds, animal. Okay, but I think that they love freedom the way we love freedom, the way they also love freedom. Other than that one, I want to share something about this area also. So I have come, I guess, half kilometer far away from my village in order to make my video. And our one river is very close to the place where I am standing. So my village is, a stone throw away from one river. That is why, and that river name is Rohini River. Okay, so it's very near, and that view is so amazing. But from here I can't show that where that river is, but this side that river is there. And other than that one, river, pond, everything is there in my village. Really, I'm so privileged. In terms of nature, I'm really so much privileged. I feel very happy when I come in nature, or whenever I be attached with the nature. So see, whatever I'm speaking, I'm not caring whether I'm making mistake or what. And it is happening just because of a lot of practice. It is happening just because I practiced a lot on grammar also. But did I start learning grammar since my beginning day? No. What I did, my first step was learn how to introduce yourself. Okay, so I learned how to introduce myself. Other than that one, what I did, I started learning words also, that how to explain things. Like if I'm going to explain about my book, copy, pen, anything, so there must be words. Okay, then I can explain things. So I started learning words, because when we want to explain things, whether our grammar is clear or not, no one cares, or we can speak if we have enough words. Okay, because learning grammar or speaking this language correctly, it's the other thing, but speaking this language is the main thing. Whether you are speaking wrong, right, in your initial day, don't worry, don't care, or don't ask question always that should I learn grammar firstly, should I start speaking firstly, what should I do, can I learn this language without learning grammar? Yeah, why not? You can learn, but for accuracy, we should learn grammar also. We can't deny the fact. Okay, grammar is also very important, but grammar is not everything. What matters a lot is speaking matter a lot. So as many hours as possible, try to speak, try to explain things. And I am sure that if you are going to explain things, you will have lack of words. Okay, in that case, try to learn words, as many words as you can. Try to learn, because when you are going to explain things, you will have need of words, right? If your grammar is not clear, no problem. Firstly, start speaking words. Okay, first thing what matters a lot, many people they say that I can't speak. So try to fight with your fear that I can't speak. In my point of view, if you can speak one word, then you can speak one sentence. If you can speak one sentence, then that day is not so far that you are going to speak a story or anything. You will be eligible, you will be able, or you will be capable of explaining anything. So do such thing, my friend. Why are you thinking a lot? Why are you overthinking? Okay, so I did the same thing. I haven't joined any spoken classes. When I tell people, some of them they say that don't try to fool people, you must have joined any spoken classes, tell the truth. But the truth is that I haven't joined any spoken classes. Okay, so in your case also, whether you are, if you can, then join spoken classes, nothing wrong in that one. Okay, because you can get fluency fast way. I believe that, because they are going to guide you, teachers are going to guide you that do this one, do that one. On the other hand, if you are alone, so you'll have to take all responsibility on your own, right? So this is the thing. And I just really love my journey, and I am so happy that I am able to learn this language alone. Now I have some friends also, but you can't get all facility right from your beginning day. Okay, so you have to suffer, or you should be ready to face the problem also. No one is going to get everything. And main thing what? Our desire matters a lot, okay? I've seen many people, they visited other country. However, they are not able to speak. What's the reason? Don't they have environment? They have environment. They don't have desire. They are not doing hard work. That's the reason that they are not able to speak this language. That's the reason they are not able to speak. That's the reason they are not able to speak this language. So in your case, my friend, don't worry. Just start speaking. Okay? If you start speaking, I know that you are going to get perfection. But from your beginning day or initial days are very, very challenging, because it was also challenging for me, I would say. But now it doesn't seem very challenging. The more time I'm spending with this language, the more months are passing, it seems that it is getting easier to learn this language. In your case also, you will also have to go through the same kinds of things. So now I think after listening this video or after watching this video, you are also going to try to learn this language alone, because now it's possible to get fluency alone. Let me summarize the things that don't care about your mistake in your initial day. Start speaking. Don't care about your perfection. Be ready to make mistake. Do such things. And then you will see that you will speak this language fluently and effortlessly. I did the same. Other people are also doing the same. If you join any spoken classes, if you are willing to join any spoken classes, go and have the experience. But the thing is that teachers also, they give only 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, what can you learn? You know, it's a language. So it is going to take a lot of time. So be aware of such things, and you can also become a fluent speaker while explaining things, by learning things. And today I'm really so happy. I'm over the moon, because I have come the place where I just like peace, and everyone like peace. Okay, peace is within us. I'm not saying that we can get peace if we are in peaceful place, right? Because we carry peace in our mind. If I am in a hustle but bustle and I am peaceful person, nothing can bother me. Okay, but if I am carrying those problems, and even I am in peaceful scenario, if I am in peaceful place, even those thoughts will keep bothering me. So it doesn't matter that where we are, that thought will bother. What matters that our mindset or how we are approaching things, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you. My dog is waiting that when Anita is going to finish her video, then we'll go at our home. He doesn't live always at my home. He goes, he roam here and there, but in the end of the day he comes. So try to explain things from today onwards. Don't expect fluency right from your beginning day, and have faith. You are going to become a fluent speaker. I hope my video is helpful for you. If it is, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.